trigonometry. Make sure that I'm pinned to your screen so that it records the session on the board. So trigonometry, as I said, is the study of right angles, their properties. Okay. So the first thing you need to know is how to look at the right angle and what we're dealing with. Now, normally C is the right angle, and we question. So I'm going to put that one there. Okay. So since this is theta, this here is now the opposite side. This hence is the adjacent side, and this is called the hypotenuse. Yes, hypotenuse. All right. And what we do in trigonometry is, as it says, we are studying the properties of the triangle. And a triangle contains three major ratios, which also have what they call their reciprocal ratios, which total 6. So these ratios are the sine ratio, the tangent ratio. These are the three major ratios. Their reciprocal ratios are called the cosecant ratio, the secant ratio, and the cotangent ratio. Okay? So the sine ratio, or the sine of an angle, is the comparison of the opposite side to the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle. Right? So the sine of an angle, or the sine ratio, is the ratio that compares the opposite side to the tangent of the right angle triangle in question. Meaning that if we were to write an equation, the equation would be sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. Right? That's why the formula is what it is. For cosine ratio, or the cosine of an angle, we say is the ratio that compares the adjacent side to the hypotenuse of the triangle. So hence we say that the cos of theta, the cos of the angle, is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Okay? Then we have the tangent ratio. And the tangent is the comparison of the opposite side to the adjacent side of the same triangle. So if we were to put it as a formula, we will say that the tan of the angle theta is opposite over adjacent. Right? Then the cosecant, I said that the cosecant is a reciprocal ratio. So the cosecant is the reciprocal ratio of sine. So if I were, this is